Does that look like a problem to you?
A ball of fire heading directly towards us? Why would that be a problem?
What if you fall in a ditch and get amnesia? What then, huh?
Manny, we have a problem.
Not now. I have a problem.
This one's a little bigger.
I don't think so.
Manny?
What?
Manny?
Okay. Party's over, everybody.
Hey.
Have a good night, and leave right now.
What are you talking about? The party just got started.
Yeah. Oh, just getting kind of sleepy. Everyone should go. And duck, possibly cover.
Hey, what's gotten into you?
Look! There's more coming!
Meteor shower!
Meteor? Shower? Manny's love is killing us!
I suppose this is all part of your magic show for me?
Abracadabra?
Can you guys deal with this later?
Come on, we need to take cover.
I'm on fire! Me too! We're smoking hot, baby! Incoming!
Those are ours! You okay? How many do you see?
Tree!
3?
No! Tree!
Everybody go! The cave! Inside! Boom! Boom! It's okay, sweetheart. Daddy's...
Hey, it sounds like it's slowing down. Yep, it's definitely over. Except for that one.
We might want to think about moving underground for a while.